Here's the question. How important are LinkedIn recommendations? I'm going to talk about that in this video and talk about two areas that are important. But before I do, hit that subscribe and the notify button because I create all of these videos for you. LinkedIn recommendations. They're down here below volunteer and skills. Right here they are, LinkedIn recommendations. Now, how important are they? Two reasons. Number one, when people do a LinkedIn search or a Google search, whether in LinkedIn or on Google/Bing, the more keywords you have in your recommendation and the more recommendations you have, the more likely you will show up in those searches. So make sure that your LinkedIn recommendations include the keywords that are important to you, relevant to your target audience in the context of what you do. For me, I'm always asking the people who recommend me to use phrases and terms like LinkedIn training, LinkedIn coaching, LinkedIn trainer, sales navigator, etc., because I want those words throughout my entire LinkedIn profile in appropriately written sentences. So that, number one, Google and LinkedIn searches are more likely to include my LinkedIn profile. Here's the second value proposition, which is maybe far more important. It's called social proof. The more recommendations you have, again, keyword rich, talking about what you do today and how you serve your target audience, your ideal client, internal or external, whatever it is, the more recommendations you have from others who are stating your value, the more social proof you are producing. Social proof is where others talk about who you are and what you do, so that when your target audience, your ideal client, your most important viewer looks at your LinkedIn profile, not only are you stating what you do in your about section, your experience section, the skills, etc., but when they hit recommendations, here are more people who validate your ability, validate your skills. So again, the more you can create social proof, the more important and valuable you become to your target audience. So summarize, there's two reasons why you want LinkedIn recommendations. One is recommendations with your keywords and phrases in the text so that Google and LinkedIn search may bring you up in those search results. Number two is to provide social proof that others are stating you are good at what you do. I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope my recommendations validate that, and I hope this is useful for you.